Apple, why you just keep doing this? Why you just keep disappointing people again and again without any reason, and also make them feel totally confused with your supreme iPhone lineup? And believe me, this time, especially this time, you had the opportunity, the best opportunity, to just turn the tables for yourself in good way, drastically, without any hesitation, by just doing one simple thing, and that is just listening to people what they wanted and giving it to them, as simple as that. Just think for a moment, how many people you could have made switch from the Android world to the iOS world. And people who don't know what I'm talking about the recent launch of iPhone 16e, which is the replacement for the iPhone SE3, if I'm not wrong. If you remember, it was the phone which had the body of an iPhone 8 along with the home button, which was launched at $450, calling the budget segment of an iPhone variant. But the recent budget-oriented kind of iPhone variant, which starts at $599 with the 128 GB of the base variant storage, which is a good thing. Okay, the storage is 128, thank God it's not 64. And some people might say, why would I pay $600 for an iPhone SE? That's true, my friend. I would get totally inclined towards your words that you're saying. But iPhone is not calling it SE anymore. iPhone has given it the name 16e, which simply means that it's totally attached to the latest versions. And I'll just come straight to the point about the features, alright, if you want to know. And that is about the display. You get a 6.1 OLED display, which is a good display, but not with dynamic island. You just get a notch. I don't know what's the obsession of Apple with notch. Still in 2025 you are getting a notch kind of display for the entry-level flagship. Talking of the camera is quite good. It's 48 megapixel camera, single camera, but it gives you the best shot, alright. You don't get telephoto, you don't get the ultra wide. Apple calls it the 2-in-1 kind of camera, which has integrated 2x telephoto zoom in it. The front facing camera is 12 megapixel. Coming to the processor or the CPU, this would be the USP. In simple words, a unique selling point for Apple, which is you get the same A18 Bionic chip as all the iPhone 16 variant gets. You also get an action button. I was quite surprised to see this, with a lot of features added to it, but no camera control, no problem. Apple also says that they have also added more power efficient modem this time. Apple is just saying that they have added this thing from their side. Earlier they used to add this from some other company, so they are trying to say that they are making this as well. You also get Face ID, USB Type-C port, 2.0 version 1, Apple Intelligence, wireless charging, which is 7.5 watts, not 25 watts, aluminum body. And talking about the battery life, you get 26 hours of video playback, battery specifically not mentioned, with a new design for more efficiency. And the thing that disappointed me with this phone is first the dynamic island. I totally believe if Apple could have added dynamic island to this phone, this would have been the game changer. Like, it would have been the best selling phone, one of the best selling phone in entry level. But Apple chose to be the better version from the earlier one, alright. So the disappointment things would be the dynamic island, because you're paying $600, alright, and you just get notch display. That doesn't make sense from my side. No MagSafe, alright, you don't get MagSafe. 1 core less in GPU. Yes, you get 6 cores in all the 16 variants, but you get 1 less core in this variant, like the iPhone 16e, which has 5 core GPU. I don't know for what reason. And last thing, if you're planning to buy an iPhone 15 with dynamic island, I can just assure you that you won't get the Apple Intelligence. That is how Apple play the game. That's the name of the game. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This was all about the iPhone 16e, which not at all looks like the iPhone 16 variant, to be honest. If they added one thing, that is the dynamic island, people would have compromised on anything without any hesitation. Just going inclined towards this, they would have bought it, and the sales could have gone really high. That's my opinion, that's my verdict. I don't know what's your opinion on this. Do let me in the comments. I can just say, Apple, what you up to? That's all for the day. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye.